Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll show you how to add link to your Linktree so you can share all your important stuff in one place. So let's get started without any further delay. First, make sure you open the correct Linktree app that is available on Play Store or App Store for iOS. Simply open it and this will take you straight to your Linktree dashboard. On the dashboard, you will see this kind of interface and simply click on your profile that is on the big page. Simply click on it and you will see the add new link button right at the bottom of your page right here, or simply at the top here as well. A new box will appear where you can paste your link, add a title so your audience know what it's about, like my YouTube channel or shop now. Simply click on here. As you can see, you can add all these types of links from here. You can toggle each link on or off, reorder them by drag or edit them anytime. This makes it super easy to organize everything as well. And that's it, your link will automatically update, so anyone visiting your link tree will see the new one anyone visiting your link tree will see the new ones right away. And that's how you can add link to Linktree. Super simple. If this tutorial helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick guides. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next one.